In this video, I am going to be showing you a strategy for dealing with linear equations questions on the SAT. So this question says 2x minus 2y equals 2. One of the two linear equations in a system is given, this one. The system has exactly one solution. Which equation could be the second equation in the system? Now, this is the solution to this question. To find the solution to this system, to this question, I want to explain something real quick. For linear equations, the only time you will have a solution is when you have a line like this and another line intersects it. This is a system. So you have a solution here where the two lines meet each other. You would have a solution here. Solution is possible here. Okay. Now, in another situation like this, where you have two parallel lines, the slopes are the same. So the slope here is represented by M1 and here M2. Because they are parallel, these two slopes are the same. Now, if the two slopes are the same, there is no solution here because they never intersect. They will never intersect at any point. So what am I trying to say? The only way you would have another equation to this one that will give a solution is if this equation and the other equation we pick from here, the right solution, would not have the same slope as this guy. They will have different slopes, because we've seen here, if they have the same slope, there will be no solution. So we have to look for an equation that doesn't have the same slope as this guy. So then the next question is, what is the slope of this guy? So that we can know where to find. So any equation that has the same slope as this guy is not the answer. Then any equation that has so let me say that again. Any equation that has the same slope as this guy will not be the answer, because that would mean that there is no solution. So the solution to this, the second equation, will be an equation that has a different slope to this guy, so that it will have something like this. So first things first, what is the slope of this guy? So let's do that. To find the slope of this guy, we have to first convert this to the equation, to the standard equation of a linear equation, which is y equals mx plus b. So here we'll make y the subject of the equation. So here now we have 2x plus 2 equals to 2y. Now if you divide through by 2, you have that y equals x plus 1. Now if y equals x plus 1, then the m here is 1, because m is the coefficient of x, so m is 1 here. All right, so we have that m is 1 here. All right, so any equation we try to find, the slope must not be 1. If you look at this one, for example, y equals to x plus 1, x minus 1 rather, x minus 1. So here the slope here is 1. So it's definitely not d. D is out of the equation. All right, let's try c. Negative 10x plus 8y equals to 5. So here we have that 8y equals to 10x minus 5. Then y equals to 10 over 8x minus 5 over 8x minus 5 over 8, which is, so here the slope is 10 over 8. M is 10 over 8. But that is different from m equals 1. So they have two different slopes. So this looks like it would be the answer. You see? Now, you can only have only one answer. So let's see this guy also. 3x minus 3y equals to 8. If we make y the subject of the equation, we have that 3x plus 8 equals to 3y. You divide through by 3, you have that y equals x plus 8 over 3. Here, the slope here is what? 1, which is the same as this guy. So this guy and this guy have the same slope, so it's something like this. So there will be no solution. This won't be this cannot be the answer. M here is 1 also, which is the same as this. This cannot be the answer. Then this one too, let's see what's happening there. Let me use another color right there. So here you have 8y equals to 8x minus 3, y equals to x minus 3 over 8. M here is also 1. So this guy, so in all cases, for example, this guy, M is 1 here, M is also 1 here, which is this. So that won't work. B, M is 1 here, M is also 1 here, like this won't work. D, M is 1 here, M is 1 here, it's like this wouldn't work. The only one where the slope is different is this guy. You have M to be 10 over 8 or 5 over 4, and M is 1, which is this guy. So this C is incontrovertibly the answer to the question. All right, yeah, and this is the strategy for solving these types of linear equation questions on the SAT. This graph will really help you. So understand this: when you have two linear graphs that are parallel, the slopes are the same. And if the slopes are the same, it means there is no solution. Okay? And this one is when they intersect. So the M1 is not M2 in this case. M1 is not M2 in this case. That is why you can have a solution for this one. Okay. Now, if you want to learn more about linear equations and all the other topics on the SAT math syllabus, I have designed a comprehensive online course for that. The link for that course is in the description. This course has over 75 videos about worksheets, quizzes, practice problems. It's the most comprehensive online course on the market for SAT math. The link is in the description. You sign up, you enroll. It even has personalized sessions with me depending on the subscription you pick, or the subscription that you want. You have personalized one-on-one tutoring sessions with me in addition to the videos. So click the link in the description and sign and pick your preferred subscription tier, and so that you can have a full-on preparation, extensive preparation for the SAT math. Students have taken this and their scores have moved over 200 points, even 300 points, you see. So this is your best bet to score a very high score on the SAT math. Click the link in the description, or if you are watching on TikTok, click the link in my bio to access this course and enroll. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you.